So thank you, Vanessa. Thank you, Paulo, for being here. And it's really a pleasure to listen to practitioners and to listen to your how do you actually live effectiveness? Because of course, this kind of issues is really heavy theoretical work. And as Vanessa mentioned, our vision of the future of bringing more practice than theory, I like that. That was interesting. So if you want to make an extra comment, just to...
Well, maybe I take the occasion to stress the importance of speed. For me, speed is obviously one of the things that contribute a lot to effectiveness, even because we have to take in consideration the error. And doing things with speed allows us to correct the errors that we commit during the path to the achievement of goals. I also share the concept of Vanessa that the business and the organizations will be more turned to live organizations than to rule-based organizations. And this is a tendency that the IT enables, and it's a future for me. Any business man or any organization that do not take this in consideration, I think it risks to get very old-fashioned very quickly, because the advances that we are getting in this IT area are big.
Okay, for me, just the last note is the incorporation of experience. If we want to be effective and we want to build effective organizations, we need to use the lessons learned. This means that knowledge cannot be dispersed in the organization. We need to use it, we need to reuse it, and we need to share it with our colleagues and new entrants, so that we can, in fact, build on the errors that Paulo was telling about.
Very good. I like that. It's interesting that we have the focus on practice, as you were saying earlier. And the focus on practice, in a way, I think it's a challenge for researchers. In a way, we have to build theories that follow that practice, that are able to capture that practice so that we can share it. Because practice is quite difficult to be learned from the outside. You have to be inside practice to learn the practice. It's like the master's and apprenticeship relationship. And it was interesting that you both stressed the importance of learning from mistakes, from your own errors, from the organization's errors, and how you mentioned that knowledge is dispersed and we have to get it together. So in a way, what we wanted from this project, that we want to relate theory, practice, learn from practice, and try to improve that practice through research. In a way, we act, a few minutes conversation, I think we pointed in the right direction. So thank you. Bye-bye.